Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the big stories over the next half an hour. First up, a quick check of the headlines. Iranian oil tankers exit a US Navy blockaded zone in Gulf, marking what tanker trackers call Iran's first crude oil exports in 2 months. At least 3 tankers are said to have carried millions of barrels of oil. Prime Minister Modi and President Donald Trump are expected to discuss West Asia crisis, security of Strait of Hormuz, and India-US trade deal. During the G7 sidelines meet today, talks will focus on boosting energy ties amid maritime trade concerns. US military strike on suspected drug trafficking boat in Eastern Pacific kills 1 person, 2 others survive, and search and rescue efforts are underway. More than 200 killed in ongoing campaign against this is since September last year. Russia says its warship fired warning shots near a yacht in East English Channel, claiming it approached dangerously. UK says the shots were not aimed at the vessel. The incident comes amid rising UK-Russia maritime tensions. Brazil's top court convicts Eduardo Bolsonaro, son of Jair Bolsonaro, for seeking Trump administration's interference in his father's coup trial and sentences him to 4 years and 2 months in prison, though he is currently in US. South Korea allows civilians to move closer to North Korean border by reducing civilian control line from 10 kilometers to an average of 6 kilometers. Defense Ministry says the change will expand access for villagers and visitors near border zone. Shiv Sena UBD MPs are reportedly likely to reach Delhi and meet Lok Sabha Speaker to discuss joining Shinde-led faction amid speculation of split and merger move. Party MP Arvind Sawant urges Speaker not to accept any unauthorized claims. New Fed chair is looking to shrink Federal Reserve's $6.7 trillion balance sheet and reduce its role in financial markets. Analysts say any major changes will take time as policymakers remain divided over the potential impact on market stability. Lionel Messi scores his first World Cup hat-trick as Argentina beat Algeria by 3-0 in Group J. He equals Miroslav Klose's record of 16 World Cup goals, becoming the joint highest scorer in World Cup history.